Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experiences using the tool. Today, we're taking a closer look at the online calculator found at https://www.53.com. This isn't your average calculator. It's a powerful, versatile tool with a sleek interface and some impressive functionalities that make it a standout option for everything from quick calculations to more complex mathematical tasks. One of the key features that sets this calculator apart is its ability to handle a wide range of calculations, from basic arithmetic to more advanced functions like trigonometry, logarithms, and exponents. The interface is remarkably clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and input even complicated equations. The display is clear and easy to read, presenting results in a crisp, unambiguous manner. Furthermore, the calculator offers a history function, allowing you to review previous calculations and even reuse them, saving valuable time and effort. This is particularly useful when working on multi-step problems or when you need to refer back to earlier results. Another advantage of using this online calculator is its accessibility. Because it's web-based, you can access it from any device with an internet connection, be it your desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or even your smartphone. This eliminates the need to download and install separate calculator applications, streamlining your workflow and ensuring you always have a powerful calculating tool at your fingertips. Beyond its core functionalities, the calculator at https://www.53.com offers a degree of customization. You can adjust the display settings, including the number of decimal places shown, to suit your specific needs. This level of personalization makes it a truly adaptable tool, catering to a variety of users, from students to professionals. Moreover, the website itself is well-designed and user-friendly, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience. Its simplicity and lack of clutter contribute to its overall effectiveness, allowing you to focus on your calculations without distractions.